of these. Okay, so you guys should have done PE this morning. If you didn't get to it, I have a couple of you who said you're going to do it later. So that's fine as long as you get it done at some point. When we're done here, we're going to go to your math. I know it's the same one we've been doing, but that's because with multiplication, the most practice you can get and it being repetitive, that's exactly what we want. Next week, I'll have a different one in there for you guys to do. I'll try and change it up as much as I can. And then you have recess. We have a little science thing. That's the thing I want to show you guys. Your reading, which is going to prepare us for tomorrow's lesson, and then lunch, and then some free reading time, some extra work page time, and then some independent iReady work. Now, like I've told you guys before, your goal is to get all of these assignments done, okay? If you need to rearrange your day today because it's an independent day for whatever reason, I'm okay with that as long as you get all of these assignments done, okay? Since I'm not with you guys all day, this is how I give you like attendance and credit for the day is getting all these assignments. So you need to make sure you do it, right? So if I go in and check iReady and I don't see anybody doing it, I can't give you a check for doing iReady, right? So you need to make sure you're going in and doing these things, okay? I'm not gonna check until tomorrow. So for whatever reason, you don't get to it till after dinner time tonight, that's okay as long as you get to it, right? That's the big goal here is you need to do these things, okay? Hannah, you have a question? I'm asking you to unmute, Hannah. Hannah, you have a question?
Tomorrow my family's going to Lake Tahoe, so I won't be able to do the reading or writing.
Okay, that's fine.
Because we leave at 12 o'clock.
Yep, that's okay. Just you're gonna have to try and either make it up another time, or we'll just kind of figure it out from there.
Okay.
Okay, do as much as you can.
Okay.
Okay, let me keep going here. So this is all your assignments today. Here was your PE options, our morning meeting. So like I said, for your math choice board, all you have to do is click on that and then you hit that blue make a copy button and do the activities on there. Then recess. All right, so here's the thing I wanted to show you. So for science today, you're gonna click here. I'm gonna hope this worked. Click on the link. And just like math, it's gonna ask you to make a copy, right? So you hit that blue make a copy button. And, okay. Now there's some videos for you to watch. Now this one, it's a Brain Pop video, I think. This my Brain Pop one, let me check. Oh, nope, it's not. It's a different website and this login information should work, okay? If it doesn't work, let me know, okay? And I can try and figure that out. Then this one you should just be able to click on. This is just a question for you to answer. The Brain Pop one, if you go down here, these are the two logins you can use if you don't have a login. I know some of you have a login, so if you do, use that. If you don't, try these and they should work, okay? And then this is just another question to answer, but you need to answer these questions, right? So like, what are 3 things I learned? I learned this, I learned that. You're obviously not gonna say this or that, you're gonna be more specific, but you're gonna type it in here, right? You're gonna fill all of this out, type it in. And then you're gonna hit that share button at the top and send it to me, okay? Trisha, you have a question? Oh, nope, your hand went down. Okay, put it back up if you had a question. So that's what you're doing there. I go back to our slides. So that's for science today. Then yes, Sophia F.
Is there a specific order we need to do the videos in?
No,
Okay.
I don't think it'll affect it either way as long as you watch them. Sorry, just checking the chat. Then, sorry, for your reading, you guys are just reading a story and I want you highlighting. If you don't have a highlighter, you can underline in pencil. You're looking for any of those non-literal words, right? So those words that are like not using the actual dictionary definition, you're highlighting any of those, okay? And then that brings you to lunch. After lunch, just do some free reading, either your own book or Epic. I don't have a read aloud book yet, so tomorrow I'll start another one. And then extra work pages. Trisha has been asking me if she can do those grammar pages that were in your old binder. That works as extra work pages too. If you like those grammar language pages, you can absolutely do those. I'm okay with that. And then make sure you guys have done all the teacher assignments from iReady. Okay, if you have any of those left, please complete them. If you've done all of them, then you can just do 2 assignments on your own in iReady. And then that'll bring you to office hours. Whoa, what is happening there? There we go. The only thing I'm gonna say today is because Wednesdays, the reason you guys are independent is I have a lot of teacher meetings. And like yesterday, I was having some computer issues. So I started my office hours a little late because I was working with tech people on something. So for some reason, you need my help and my office hours have not started yet. Like it's 2:00, but you go to join the meeting and it says, I need to start the meeting. Just make sure you email me and I will do my best to get on there then. Wednesdays just get tricky.